Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on this eye next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!